Yeah, hey there, it's Paul here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now in this video, I want to give you a Fibonacci tutorial in Forex. Okay, if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do put out a couple of videos per week to help you in your Forex journey. But in this video, I want to give you a quick Fibonacci tutorial in Forex so that you can understand exactly what it is and how you can use it when you're marking up your charts. Now, basically to begin with, what is Fibonacci? Now I've got a chart here which I'm gonna show you in a minute. But to begin with, I just want to talk about what Fibonacci is and how it basically relates to Forex. Now, in a nutshell, the Fibonacci tool, this is the Fibonacci tool here. Fibonacci tool is a measuring tool, okay? Now, let's just say, let's delete that actually, let's start again. Let's say we've got a line here and a line here, and we want to measure those two lines. So we grab the Fibonacci tool, we go from point A at the bottom to point B at the top. Here to here is basically 100%. So everywhere in between these two lines, okay, not the best drawing, but anywhere in between there is 0% here and 100% here. Okay, so let's get rid of that. This line here is 50%, this line here is 71%, this line here is 78%. And this is the retracement value. So if price went from here and it retraced back to here, that would be retracing back to 50%. If it retraced back to here, that would be retracing 71%. If it retraced to here, that would be 78.6%. Now, I'm going to go into what this kind of means and how I use it in a second. Let's get rid of those lines. But to begin with, let's just say, that's because I'm on the wrong one there. Let's go into the Fibonacci settings, okay? Now basically you can set any ratios that you want. I've got the 50%, 78.6. In fact, none of mine are in order, but I've got the 618, 78.6, all sorts of things in here. Now this is basically what I use in my business. Now a lot of people like to use the 618, 61.8% retracement. I tend to use the 71 to 78.6% retracement. Okay, now I'm going to try and explain it as best I can in this video, so do stick with me and I'll do what I can to explain it. Now let's just say we've got this here. We've got a swing low point here. At this moment in time, we don't know where the swing high point is because the price is still moving in an upwards direction. So let's just wait for price. There we go. Price looks like it's turned around. So we've got our 2 points here. This is our swing low here, and this is our swing high here. So this is the point that I'm measuring, and this is just one of my confirmations. This Fibonacci shouldn't be used as a be all and end all in your, in your chart, in your setting up your chart. It should be used as part of your confirmations, as confluence with other confirmations that you have, whatever it is in your trading plan, okay? So we've got our swing low and our swing high. Price is coming back down and we've broken structure here. Price actually looks like it's going to be moving in an upwards direction. So what I would do at this point is get the Fibonacci tool and I would take it from the swing low to the swing high here. I mean, I'd have other confirmations going on here. We've got, let's just say for argument's sake, I mean, I trade smart money concepts, so we've got our banker's candle here. And we've also got, my confirmation would be, I'd be looking for price to retrace somewhere between the 71%, which is here, and the 88.6%, which is here, okay? We've also got the bankers or institutional candle, order block, whatever you want to call it. We've got that here. We've got a little bit of imbalance going on here as well. I'm sure if we come down to a lower time frame, we can see a little bit of imbalance in here. no, there isn't actually a lot of imbalance in there, but let's just come back here. That's kind of digressing really into other confirmations. But as you can see, swing low, swing high, I'd be looking for that to retrace back into the 71 to 88.6, somewhere here. I like it to come really 71 to 78.6, 88. So what I would do here is probably set up a long position. Personally, I'd be looking at the open of this candle here for my entry. Let's just say stop loss is there, and let's just say our take profit is this high here. I mean, that gives me a 1 to 3.24. Normally I wouldn't take that trade. So there, without looking at the chart anymore, I might be able to reduce this stop loss or get the look to take price a little bit higher here, which would give me my 1 to 5, which normally is what I'd be looking at. But as I say, this green area here, this is my kill zone. This is where I'd be looking for a buy position. Let's just put that there, kill zone. This is where I'd be looking to take a buy position and say just to take price up here. And that's what I'd be, one of my confirmations that I'd be looking for on a Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, so let's just see what happens with the price. Price has come down, literally tapped into my kill zone. It's actually tapped into this banker's candle here, and it looks like it's going up. There we go, and it's actually just taken out this high here before carrying on down here. Okay, but that actually triggered the trade here, and the take profit was here. I mean, as I say, this probably would have been overall on the higher time frames. It's actually a counter trend trade, whether I'd have taken it or not. But I just want to show you the Fibonacci tool and how you can basically use it to measure price effectively. Now, as I say, some people like the 61.8. I like the 71 to 78.6. That is personally how I use it. But as I say, you can change everything if you go into here, change all these settings, and all these are just basically percentages of the overall price. So this is 0 to 100%, and all these lines in between are just percentages of that span of price effectively. So I hope this has been helpful. Any questions, put me any questions at all, drop a comment below. I will do my best to answer them or create another video or whatever. As I say, if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and I look forward to talking with you again real soon. Take care.